All right, the FOMC is over. We're done with the for the next 6 weeks there. AIG is still out there. S&P, we were talking all day. AIG was the flavor du jour for sure. What you saw here was, again, we had a rally off the open. We touched as low as 1266 or so on the SPOO, so we got down, again, we were down nearly 35, 40 points from the close yesterday on the SPOOs. But once the Fed came in, you had an immediate reaction, an immediate whoosh down, first up, then down, hit the pivot at 1200. Then it sold all the way off to about 1175, but it wasn't a new low. Again, I don't like to trade into the Fed or immediately after. I like to wait 15 to a half an hour, and you can see what happened if you pull up your S&P chart. You had we were hanging around there after we sold off 1175 to 1182 or so, and we were trading in that range. And if you notice, there was a big candle about 25 minutes after the Fed announcement that took the SPOOs right up to 1205, really to the high of the day. It took it right up to the highs of the day, and it brought in your short sellers. But that candle and the volume on that candle told you that someone wanted to buy at all costs, and that if you had shorts, you should get out. And again, we were flat coming into the whole thing anyways, and we mentioned as soon as that happened that you probably wanted to be long 1195, 1202 for the rest of the day. It looked like they possibly could take it. I said 1229. It reached up to 1221 here on the close, and I actually closed them around 1216 as I look at the print. Oil, again, we talked about oil reaching down into the $90 level. It did do that today. I would imagine that exhaustion is over on oil now. Oil actually traded down to $90.50 today and rallied hard. So again, if you're thinking about these larger broad numbers, you had some nice moves. Bank of America closed up, Merrill Lynch closed up. We were long calls coming into the day. We pushed those off today, had some nice trades. Sold some Goldman puts off the open. We came in with the straddle, covered that whole side there, and actually got net long on the news. So that is the deal. It was a very good trading day again. I said around 1200, 1195 to 1202 in that space. I said it looks like this market's going to rip. If you're short, you better cover it. And you had plenty of chance. They battled it there, 1200 to 1205 for about a good 20 minutes, half an hour or so. Hopefully, if you were thinking this market's going to continue to go down, the action told you otherwise. That candle, the volume right there at about 1140 told you to get the heck out and get long, as we did. And again, just hold on into the end of the day. The toughest thing to do is ride that Bronco, but the trade did work out. So that's it. Tomorrow's another trading day. Hope everybody had a great day. Fantastic trading day here, and we'll see you back tomorrow.